This is going to be a video tutorial on how to post to Reddit. First thing you'd have to do is go to Reddit. If you don't have an account, you'll have to sign up for an account with Reddit. As long as you have an account and you are signed in, then you are free to post. There's a variety of ways that you could post on Reddit. One way you could do it, if you click on this Reddit icon in the upper left hand corner, it'll take you to a page that looks very similar to this. One way you could post is you can click in this box here that says create post. You can click in there. Then you can choose a community to post to. Click the little drop down. Say that I wanted to post to rcats. That's kind of a subreddit for pictures of cats. A lot of subreddits will require that you join them in order to post. And then off to the right here, you could see their rules for posting. You have to adhere to their rules. Let's say I wanted to post a picture of a cat. If you just leave it on this post part here, this is mainly for if you want to post text. You put a title here, put your text here, and then you would click on post. I'm going to post a picture to this group. I'm going to click on images and videos. And then there's two ways that I could add an image here. I could click the upload. Then I would find a picture on my computer to post to. Or I've got a folder open here. You can drag and drop. I'll drag this picture over. I'll drop him in here. Now I'm going to add a title to my picture. Let's see here. I'll add my large rescue cat. I'm just going to type that in there. If you want to add a flare, you could add a flare. Click that. I'm going to choose cat picture. Apply. If you were posting something that was inappropriate or whatever, you might want to click on not safe for work. That's what that means. NSFW, not safe for work. I'm going to click post. It'll take it a couple seconds. And now my picture is posted to our cats. Another way you could post. Let me go to a different subreddit here. I'm going to go to this. Now if I wanted to, I could click on create post again, same as before. I could post like a YouTube link here if I wanted to. The way you do that is you click on link, and then you would paste the URL in this box, and your title for your video would go up here. Another way you could post a video link is to go to the website. A lot of times, most websites have a share feature to them. I'm going to click on that share feature. I'm going to find Reddit. I'll click on Reddit. Now I will click the drop down next to choose community. I will find the community I want to share that to. Now see, it's already got the URL, and the video's title is already there. Then all I would do is click post. Now I have posted that video to that subreddit. If you wanted to just post a comment, say I wanted to post a comment on this videos. I really like this video, and you have different features down here at the bottom that you could I I can highlight the word video and make it bold. All different types of things you could use. I could highlight the word really and make it italic. They have bulleted lists. They have numbered lists. Like I said, some of these communities you have to join them. Some communities, some subreddits, you have to have a certain amount of karma to post to them. You just have to read their rules and stuff. But that's about it for the way you post on Reddit. Thanks for watching.